The original cushions for this chair were badly pet damaged, so the customer discarded them, never thought about using them as a pattern, so she left it up to me to come up with a design. I think I'll just go with something really basic. I started with a 5-inch piece of foam laid out to the dimensions of the cushion deck. In order to avoid a lot of waste, I've glued on a scrap of foam to the back. I'll measure back a 1/2 inch from this front edge. I've got a good friend that always puts a lot of thought into his gift buying. I was thrilled when this fine multi-master tool showed up, totally shocked. It's turned out to be one of my favorite tools. I use it around the house for carpentry. Recently I used this blade to shave off a nasty mess of glued on foam. I used a few drops of oil over 1000 grit wet or dry paper to sharpen the blade. I'll start my cover by truing up the fabric, cutting along one of these stripes in the pattern. I generally lay out my fabric in the same dimensions as the foam core, so I'll cut a strip 24 inches wide. I'll start my layout at the center, and I'll take up 2 3/4 inch pleats in the corners. With 2.5 inches as my center reference for the 5-inch thickness, I'm taking up 3/8 of an inch on both sides of that to get my 3/4 inch pleat. From the corner pleats, I'll square off both ends at 23.5 inches. I'll cut this straight in line with the weave in the fabric. I'll work off center and lay out 21 inches in the back. With my corner pleat sewn in, it's 23 1/4 inches from the back of the panel to the pleat in the front. I've laid out for a 5.5 inch boxing. I'm going to allow an extra 1/2 inch up here and square this off at 23 3/4. All right, it looks like my pleats are all going to match up. Things are going to be on center. I'm going to start by sewing back around the top of the panel over to center. I've got my machine set at a relatively small stitch size. I'm making a very strong 1/2 inch seam allowance, a little over. Careful to keep all these stripes matched up. Okay, I stopped short of center a couple inches here and I'll work on the other side. All right, I'll match these ends up with a 1/2 inch seam allowance, both sides. All right, with these back corners matched up, this cushion's ready to stuff. I'll tear away this plastic and press down the seams. Okay, that's a wrap on that cushion.